Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from IDG Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 business using my lead gen secrets. Alright, the reason why I like promoting the $25 business is because it's 80% recurring commission, meaning that you get 80% of every commission that you make, even if it's recurring, meaning products pay every month. Alright, so that's all it is to that. Let's hit the reload page to see if we made any money yesterday. Okay, we did not make any money yesterday. Did not get a sale. All right, which is absolutely fine. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, come over here to my lead gen secrets and send the next email here. All right, so let's come on down here. And let's look at emails I got here. I put a like exclamation point right here. Hit 250. Two. The extra 6. You're gonna put 650. Just change the numbers around a little bit. That's about it. Okay, for people that want to use the email that I made right here, this is the email that I wrote myself. You won't find it anywhere else. Alright, that's the title there. Passive income, keep building business day yet. And yeah, and we're just gonna scroll down real slow so you can watch. Alright, so that's the email there. We're gonna click on preview and see if the link works here. It does work. Okay, so we're gonna send the email here. Like the signature, you can do whatever you want here. You could even not even include the signature if you don't want to. But we're gonna keep on going here. Make sure to click on perfect timing. Perfect timing does send an email around the time people check their emails. You know, so it's a good chance they'll check the email and not be be bowed under a pile of emails, if you know what I mean. All right, now we just sent the email, and I believe that's about it, guys. You know, that's all it takes. Doesn't take long at all. All you really need to do is like figure out what email you're gonna send. I recommend something pretty short, cause you know I think attention really plays a part here. Like, they click on it and see that it's a short email, gonna get you to the link. I think they check it out then. When it's on my lead gen secrets here. All right, guys. That's about it. Make sure to check below for all the links for all the systems in my lead gen secrets, the $25 online business, so on and so forth, right? And also make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.